Spot the train. Oh, it's the Voyager. Lumo. Yeah. See you, mate.
No, you're off.
Yeah, getting off at Grantham.
Nice.
Where are you travelling to?
All the way to Liverpool, so.
All the way to Liverpool.
Yeah, so. There were 4 hours, I think, so. It's been nice of you.
What county are you from? What county?
Oh, Norfolk.
Ah, you're a Suffolk accent.
Yeah. Most people say I'm American.
Oh.
Whenever they.
Is it me or is that HS2? Am I wrong? New Y Archers.
Maybe. I didn't tell you.
Well, anyway, I'm from Hampshire, as we drop our H's. So, and when you pronounce the letter H, it's not H, it's H.
H.
It's not H. H. It starts with a H.
It's like an A, it's like H.
H.
Gotcha.
Yeah. I don't know if anyone else pronounces it. If you're actually born and bred, whatever that means, in Hampshire or Hampshire, we sound like farmers because we drop our H's.
Yeah. So instead of happy, it's happy.
Huh?
Is it sort of like happy, is it like happy, and that sort of thing? Or is it only in certain cases?
Well, to mix things up, when I pronounce raspberries, it's actually raspberries, but
Okay.
I don't pronounce it, well, my family don't pronounce it as wadsberries. It's just, to make it even funnier, I pronounce things with an R with a W instead. It's much funnier.
Ah, gotcha.
The wadsberries. As
So,
opposed
are
to
you
pronounce it's raspberries, but yeah, carry on.
No, I was going to say, are you travelling to see them now, or are you... Or where are you heading to right now?
Just train spotting at Grantham.
Oh, no worries.
I've done it before, so to mix it up a bit, I'll use EMR instead.
Yeah.
Tick. Now, I'm not
got like a
trying
list
to.
of all of like the different services you want to get on?
Well, I'm not trying to travel on every single railway company myself, but I can get to as far as Wolverhampton myself, and Grantham myself. I did check Nottingham, but by the time you get there, you'll have to turn around again.
Okay.
So there's no time to go on the trams.
Yeah.
Even Sheffield, they've got one. As soon as I get there, turn round.
Yeah.
So Manchester, turn round. As soon as you get there, turn round and go home again. There's no point. So my local station's Eastleigh, so anywhere in that vicinity I can get to, but as long as I get back in one day.
Yeah, you're good. Would you ever consider going abroad to see like trains elsewhere?
I'm actually going on holiday this Saturday too.
Oh, nice.
So.
What was it? Just this Christmas I went to Finland and I got to go on the trams on there as well.
Finland?
They're super good for that sort of thing.
Yeah.
It was like every 10 minutes they arrived and I was like pretty good.
Oh, that's too high. No, sorry. What's your name?
Mason.
See you, Nathan, it's Miles.
Oh, Mason.
Oh, Mason.
No, you're good. Nice to meet you, man. Take care.
Also, I have these Class 158s on South Western Railway, where I'm from in the south of England, and I don't push the door buttons like that, I bash them open.
Just make sure not to break them.
Yeah, I know. I know when I've broken them because they won't open, but yeah, see you, Mason. One 847.
Peterborough, Ely, Deptford and Norwich. This train has 2 coaches.
82225. Proper train. Proper train service. See you at 2:17 or whatever it is. Oh. Take picture. Capture. Yeah, whatever. My carriage. going that way. Scooter! Years of LNER. Airtel 120215. There it is. Here. 17419. Surprised it's moving. Airtel 2302. Yes again! Ah. Okay, it's one of them. Okay.
Oh, look, it's true.
10202. Nearly. Bye, girls. What's your name?
Chloe.
Hello,
What's your
Chloe.
name? Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Miles.
Miles. Nice to meet you, Miles.
Sorry.
Doncaster and
Proper train service. 8222. Not long until these proper trains go. Oh, God. Just before these trains are withdrawn, I will actually get something from here.
Okay.
I think they're due to go to somewhere, unless I'm wrong.
Yes, yeah.
It's only February, so I've got ages.
Yeah.
But on LNER, on Twitter, they will sort of say these trains are due to go soon. They will like do a countdown to the withdrawal and tell their tours together.
Yeah.
Just to make sure, because I hate this is going on. I get very annoyed when they say, I did want a proper train,
Yeah, proper.
because it's a loco, they can carry it to loco. Yeah. But just to make sure, I was like, did you think something like that?
Is it December or
I might have to check again, but I might have to say something on Twitter saying, I was on the train today, on the train, well no one know that one on the train, but I was just like clarify it and learn it, and I'm like, but I did buy something from here, the nearer it gets to this withdrawal. See you mate. Sorry, mate. Oh, hello. Peterborough. Where I was earlier. Shall I do trains at Peterborough one day? Let me know. 66754. Thameslink service to Peterborough. I love flying.